actually Christmas. Merry Christmas, guys.
Camera ass up. Bring the camera ass up. The cutest melody you will ever see on Christmas Day.
All right.
The cutest natural.
Yo, I'm dead putting you in the vlog. You're tight.
Nah, get her wig real quick.
She's cute still. We out here, baby. I'm drinking my sorrow. You feel me? Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to ShayFolarin TV. Feel me? So it is Christmas Day, and the family is currently just waiting for my mom to come home so we can open our gifts. But we're happy. We're hanging out with each other, and yes, I'm excited. Hey guys, Merry Christmas. So we are up in my room getting ready to go open up our gifts. It's currently 6 o'clock. My family is like chatting, but it's currently 6 o'clock. We're about to go open up our stuff because my mom is finally here, my sister is finally here, and we are so excited. So stay tuned because we're gonna open our gifts, then we're gonna have dinner.
Yeah, we're having a Shirley Christmas.
What is it?
Are you ready for it?
Everybody eat
You
at?
feel me? What we about to eat at?
What everybody eat at?
It is 7 o'clock, about to be 8 o'clock.
7:42.
7:42, and we still haven't opened our gifts, but we are about to open our gifts. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
I need everyone to gather around. I got mad gifts, and I didn't even expect all these gifts. No! I did not expect all these gifts, guys. Good Christmas. Great birthday. Great Christmas. 2019 and out of. Feel me? 2020, bear blessings. You feel me? I lost all the footage of me opening everything, but I'm gonna do a quick video for you guys. I got my teddy bear sweater for my best friend and a nice warm scarf. My brother got me this cute little guest bag. My other friend got me a flat iron and my keyboard. You know this shit is $1,000, so I'm just happy because I didn't have one for like a year because I refused to pay for that shit. Then my brother's baby mom got me some brushes, you feel me? Then my fave cousin got me a condenser microphone, you know, investing in my craft. Feel me? Then I got Bath and Body Works stuff, and I got me my sorrel beer, fresh from Jamaica. Very dumb hype. Can't find this nowhere in the States, so this is like everything to me. I got Uggs for my best friend, and I also got my, oh shit! I got my Polaroid, you feel me? It's so pretty. And then, that's it. I also got a mirror. Ow, I'm just so excited. I'm just so happy. The people that blessed me! The people that blessed me! Best birthday, best Christmas. And now we eat.